bonus reading for March the 6th to March the 7th, fire signs. Your cards are the Five of Cups, the Moon card, and the Star. So, medyo feeling natin, no, medyo madilim ang ating paligid, ang ating puso, no. There might be some situations or challenges na pwedeng nangyayari sa inyo ni person lately. Medyo pinanghihinayangan din tayo ng siguro nanghihinayang tayo sa mga efforts na ginawa natin. Kaya bakit siguro nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong situation ngayon? Kasi parang feeling natin we place the person in a pedestal. Siguro sabihin natin na may point ka doon. Pero nung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges, I feel like si person medyo na windang din sa either mga nasabi niya. But I feel like meron din namang bawi dito si person, no? Hindi lang ganun magiging ka-fluid yung fixations nitong inyong relationship, but at least may movement na, no? Nakikita na natin or somehow gumalaw na yung baso, no? So this is your bonus reading for March the 6th to March the 7th, fire signs.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.